Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, this is the episode where I'm going to tell you how to get your very own Captain Drone stickers. You know these stickers that I stick on pretty much everything? You see me flying drones, there's a sticker on the drone. Hey, there's a sticker on the laptop. There's a sticker there. There's a sticker back here. Look over, that's a computer. Forget that, that's not a sticker, but this is a sticker right there. So in this episode, I'm going to explain how to get the Captain Drone stickers. Now, first, I just want to say, coming up for the month of February, I have many more drone reviews coming out, but most of them are all FPV drones because I don't know, maybe because DJI is coming out with their FPV drone, everybody's going nuts, and all these companies have sent me FPV drones new on the market for me to review, so you'll see a lot of those coming up. Plus I have some really cool RC car videos coming up, so you want to check those out. And every now and then I'm going to toss in a camera drone, but something a little bit different with a camera drone, so stay tuned for those. Now back to the stickers. So I'm going to be giving away stickers for the whole month of February. And it's very easy to get them. They are free. You just have to basically write to me, and I'm going to explain all that in a second. And let me see. Oh, I have something metal here. I want to show you. Some of you, because I have a few of these left over, these are very popular. These are magnetic stickers for your fridge. So you see they just stick to anything metal. Some of you will get the magnetic stickers as well, if I have sufficient left. So as I already said, this here free sticker giveaway thingy is going on for the entire month of February. As soon as February's over, well then, the sticker giveaway is done. So let me pass it over to Steve, who's going to explain how to get your free stickers. Take it away, Steve. All right, so step one to get your free stickers, you're going to need a laptop, some electronic device to write to me. Do not write to me by snail mail or an envelope because I won't receive it because you don't have my address. So you need a laptop, or you need a cell phone to send me an email, or you need a PC. Then what do? Well, you're going to use those electronic devices, you know, your PC, your Mac, your tablet, your phone, your laptop, to send me an email with some specific information in it. And the address you're going to use is this one below. It says contest798@gmail.com. And the subject of that email, just put the word stickers, you know, STICKERS. Yes, I'm spelling it out because not everybody is 100% English. Put stickers. That will allow me to filter and just look for stickers. And then I can send you stickers. So what about the content of the email? Well, I'm going to need some specific information from you in order to send you the stickers. And yes, it's kind of like a contest because questions 1 and 2 are like contest questions, but they're so easy. They're so easy. The reason I put these contest questions in is because there's a lot of people out there who will just send me an email to get stickers and they really don't care. They're not too interested, but I only have a limited number of stickers. And there's a lot of you out there who really want stickers. So the ones who really want it are going to answer the questions. The ones who are like, I don't care, they won't answer the questions and they won't get stickers, which is okay by me. I'd rather give out the limited stickers I have to the people who really want them. So here we go. If you look below this video, the entire contest rules are listed there, everything I'm saying now, and it even lists questions 1 and 2, and it gives you a link you click on to get the answer to questions 1 and 2. And they're very, very easy questions. Trust me. I mean, they're super easy. All right. So that's questions 1 and 2. Question number 3 is really simple. It is, what is your country? What's the country that I'm sending these stickers to? The reason I need to know that is because for every envelope I mail to a different country that's not my own, there's different postage. So if you live someplace halfway around the world, I have to know what the country is in plain English so that I can find out what the postage is. So I put the correct postage so you get the stickers. Question number 4 is real easy. I just need your name. I don't care. You can put your first name, you can put your last name, you can put your first name and initial, anything you want. Whatever you want me to write on the envelope, that's question number 4. Finally, question number 5 is the most important of all because this is where you're going to write out your mailing address. I have no idea where you live in the world. And honestly, I don't even know how your address works for the parts of the world you live in. So write out your address in, separate lines as if you were writing to somebody else or somebody was writing to you. Don't put it all in one line because I won't have a clue what that means. Like put your street, your area, the town you live in, the normal stuff, your whatever, your zip code, postal code, whatever it is in your country, some identification. I'm going to hand all this to my wife because I don't have time to look after this. She's either going to take what you wrote and write it out by hand on an envelope, or she's just going to print out what you did, cut it out, and stick it on the envelope exactly as you wrote it, and then send you the stickers that way. So if you make a mistake in your address, you're not getting the stickers. And that's pretty much it. And as I mentioned, my lovely wife, Nikki, has volunteered to do all this. I know. How did I get her to volunteer? I don't know. I just asked her. She said yes. But you watch at the end of this, she's going to be like, if there's one more friggin' envelope to mail, I'm going to lose it. I'm sure that's going to happen. That's not her voice. Her voice is a little higher than that. This is your chance to get free Captain Drone stickers. How many stickers will you get, you're wondering? Well, I'm probably going to give each person maybe 4 stickers, maybe 5. We'll see how it goes. I only have so many stickers. I bought a pile of them, and I'm going to be giving them out. So this is your opportunity. All right, so hopefully I made this crystal clear. You can start sending your application right now, all the way up to the end of February, and next thing you know, stickers are going to show up in your mailbox. It's that simple. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in future videos with many more drone reviews. Bye!